How to fix Instagram direct messages not sending. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Instagram messages not sending. Now if you open up the Instagram app and head over to chat by tapping on the chat icon on top right corner, you'll be able to text anyone from here. Now if you don't find this option, or if you're not been able to send messages or your messages are not sending, then it might just be your internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a stronger internet connection and try switching between your networks. However, if this isn't the case, then what you want to do is head over to App Store or Play Store. You can see I'm on my Google Play Store here and searching for Instagram. If your app isn't updated, you'll get a little update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Once you update your app, head over to Instagram again and then try logging out your account and then log back in again, and this should fix the issue. And if this doesn't help, you might want to uninstall and reinstall the app, but if you don't want to do so, then you can just reset the app. Now to reset the app, what you want to do is scroll down your notification bar, and on the top right corner you'll find the settings icon. Tap on it and scroll down all the way down below, and then you'll find the option apps. Once on apps, you can either scroll down and search, or I'll just simply search from search bar for Instagram. And once you're searching for Instagram, what you want to do is scroll down and head into stories, and on the bottom of the screen you can find the option clear data. Now tap on clear data and delete option, it'll pop up, and then tap on delete, but make sure to back up your account before doing this because it'll log you out and clear all your data from Instagram app. So once you do this, log back into your account and this will fix the issue and you should be able to text or send messages again. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.